Hey guys, Biker Mike here, back out in the Biker Mike shop with another helpful how-to video for those of you who are experiencing an extremely clogged pilot jet. Now this video is actually a remake of a video I did a while ago. So anyways, I thought I'd redo this video because I'm pretty sure it's going to help you out if you have an extremely clogged pilot jet. Now I'm not just talking about cleaning some varnish out of them. I'm talking about the pilot jets that are so badly clogged with that hardened fuel. And if you guys are struggling with this, you know what I'm talking about. Now, the bike I was working on at the time was a little 50cc scooter. So this pilot jet's a pilot jet out of my KTM 250XC. So the passageways are quite a bit bigger in it. But the bike I was working on had such a tiny passageway, and the fuel had gummed up and hardened so bad that, you know, the carburetor cleaner wasn't even touching it, even after soaking it for days. So I got thinking, how could I get that passageway cleared out? And, you know, I tried, you know, poking the wire through it and all that. And then it just came to me, maybe I should try heating it up. And what I did was just grabbed a pair of pliers, lightly clamped it on the pilot jet, and then got out a little propane torch here and lit the torch and just held the clogged portion of the pilot jet right on top of the hot spot of the flame and just heated that pilot jet up to the point where it burned and softened up all that gunk inside the pilot jet. And then I was able to take a small fine piece of wire. Now what I used was, it was 18 gauge automotive wire, and I just took a single strand off of it and just kind of started working away at it, and pretty much instantly it cleared out the jet. So there you go guys, a real quick, right to the point video on how to get that clogged pilot jet cleared out. Don't forget to subscribe. Check out my other power sports videos. I'm going to be making more and more in the future. And once again guys, thanks for watching.